Hi guys, it's me Luigi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for this video, we'll be having a reaction for the music video of Evan, which is the Ride or Die. So a former and hypen members. So yeah, let's have a reaction video and let's go. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated on my every upload. Yeah. Let's go guys. Oh my god, see the intro giving face card. Oh my god, I miss. Is it okay if we say Hisung, right? Hisung or Evan? Because I am an engine, guys. Name of Evan is Ever. So Evergene. Oh, I love this style of Evan. The hairstyle, like brush up here, then down here, like grabe. Oh, favorite dart ko din yung nasa loob, inside ko. This part. Ah, it's good, right? So, guys, by the way, comment down below if you are an Evan bias or an Isang bias. Wow, Isang or Evan is one. Also, grabe din, nagulat din ako sa nagulat tayo, right? Co-engines, you're shocked when they announced that Hizong is leaving up in Hypen and Hypen is OT6. But, oh my god, it's already 3 months or 4 months ago. What if they have a collaboration like her and Hypen and Evan soon, right? Wait, I need to skip the face card right here. Whoa. Oh, I love this one. Wait lang, I will make this as a background for my thumbnail. Oh, hindi po ako nakapaghanap ng thumbnail ko sa kanya. Wait lang. Love siyang face card. This one. Alright. I found it. So, this is the video. So, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated on my upload. Bye bye guys. Love you all.